Welcome to Worldwide Entertainment. A robot is a machine designed to perform specific tasks, typically those that are repetitive or dangerous for humans to perform. Robots can be programmed to perform a wide range of activities, from simple tasks such as moving objects from one place to another, to more complex activities. Robots can be controlled remotely or operate autonomously with the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning. They can be equipped with sensors and cameras to perceive their environment, and actuators to manipulate objects and move around. Robots are used in a variety of industries, such as manufacturing, healthcare, transportation, and space exploration, among others. Sure, here are 10 facts and functions about robots with full details. Number 1. Robots can be programmed to perform a wide range of tasks, from simple to complex. Robots are designed to perform specific tasks, and they can be programmed to perform those tasks efficiently and effectively. For example, in a manufacturing plant, robots can be programmed to assemble products, perform quality control checks, and package products for shipment. Number 2. They are used in a variety of industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, transportation, and space exploration. Robots are used in a variety of industries to improve efficiency, productivity, and safety. In manufacturing, robots are used to assemble products, weld parts, and perform quality control checks. In healthcare, robots are used to perform surgeries and other medical procedures with greater precision than human hands. In transportation, robots are used to move goods and people around, and in space exploration, robots are used to explore other planets and collect data. Number 3. Robots can be autonomous, meaning they operate on their own, or controlled remotely by a human operator. Autonomous robots are programmed to operate independently, without human intervention. Remote-controlled robots, on the other hand, are controlled by a human operator who sends commands to the robot from a remote location. Both types of robots are used in a variety of industries, depending on the task they are designed to perform. Number 4. They can be equipped with a variety of sensors, such as cameras and touch sensors, to perceive their environment and interact with objects. Robots can be equipped with a variety of sensors to perceive their environment and interact with objects. For example, robots can be equipped with cameras to see their surroundings, touch sensors to feel objects, and microphones to hear sounds. Number 5. Some robots are designed to operate in hazardous environments, such as in nuclear power plants, where it may be too dangerous for humans to work. Robots are often used in environments that are too dangerous for humans to work, such as in nuclear power plants, where radiation levels are high. In these environments, robots can be used to perform tasks such as inspections, repairs, and maintenance, reducing the risk of exposure to humans. Number 6. Robots can be used to perform tasks that are repetitive, dangerous, or require precision that is beyond human capability. Robots are ideal for performing tasks that are repetitive, dangerous, or require precision that is beyond human capability. For example, robots can be used to perform tasks such as welding, painting, and drilling, which can be repetitive and require a high degree of precision. Number 7. They are used in healthcare to perform surgeries and other medical procedures with greater precision than human hands. Robots are used in healthcare to perform surgeries and other medical procedures with greater precision than human hands. For example, robots can be used in minimally invasive surgeries, where small incisions are made and the robot's arms are used to perform the surgery. Number 8. Robots can be designed to look like humans or animals, and can even be programmed to recognize and respond to human emotions. Robots can be designed to look like humans or animals, and can even be programmed to recognize and respond to human emotions. For example, some robots are designed to provide emotional support to people with disabilities, while others are designed to provide companionship to elderly people. Number 9. They are used in agriculture to harvest crops and perform other tasks, reducing the need for human labor and increasing efficiency. Robots are used in agriculture to harvest crops and perform other tasks, reducing the need for human labor and increasing efficiency. For example, robots can be used to harvest fruits and vegetables, reducing the need for human labor and increasing the speed at which crops are harvested. Number 10. Robots can be used to collect and analyze data in various industries, improving decision-making and efficiency. Robots can be equipped with sensors to collect data on various aspects of their environment, such as temperature, humidity, and air quality. This data can be analyzed to make informed decisions in industries such as agriculture, manufacturing, and healthcare. In manufacturing, robots can collect data on production efficiency and quality control, helping managers optimize the production process. If you like video, then subscribe our channel.